Greetings, fellow travelers and coaster riders. It's a beautiful day here at Busch Gardens because we're going to do an RMC ride for the first time.
Yes.
Join us. It's already got a 35-minute line. It just opened up. It's called Iron Gwazi. It's right here inside of the gate. We got to rush over and get everything in the locker. We'll get in the line as quick as we can. And join us for the coaster, and then afterwards, stick with us. For a few, we'll let you know what we think of this one and how it compares to other RMCs we've been on in the channel. And let's go. All right. Here we go, Gwazi. Got to get that locker, though. Right over here. Okay, so the lockers are going to be right straight ahead, right next to the entrance. You just walk up here. They got a couple of kiosks. Put your credit card in. It's a cashless. Okay, so we got the lockers. It's right next to the queue line. You don't have to walk out. Just come right on here, and then you can push on through it. They've got everything nicely themed, purple, green, and gold, and those are actually my old college colors there. Very cool. So, all right, we'll see what the rest of the queue looks like. Hopefully it's not all in the sun like this. I wouldn't want to be stuck right here on a hot day. They probably should put some a canopy or something over this little area, maybe. That might help. But I think the ride goes right over there, so it might be a tough one. All right, well, it doesn't look too bad so far. Got that theme music playing. They light this thing up at night. It's really pretty. So yeah, we got a little bit of a wait. I'm seeing a pretty good sized queue that we're in here. We would have used our fast pass, but the line for the fast pass is longer than the line for this. They really should. Oh Lordy. Join us, everybody. Here we go. Seatbelts first.
Please stand behind the green line. The gates are now closing.
Oh. No? I think I'm in. He like lifted the thing up. I'm not sure why. It said check my seatbelt, I guess. I had the strap off to the side, but that's okay. You gotta check him again. Did he check you?
Yeah.
All right, you can put it back down, I think. We're just excited. Try to get the line going as fast as possible for everybody too, you know? Okay, everybody. I think we're coming out of the alligator's mouth to start. Is what I think that's what's going on. And I think they're getting everybody buckled in, and we are now front row. So Becky asked, and they said yes. Nice job, Becky, on asking for the front row. So this will be a front row ride. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Get a good record.
Secure it firmly to your legs. During your ride,
And I think they're going to come check us again.
your hands, arms, and legs down.
It's kind of a slow load, I think. So here they come, I think. Oh, I heard the gentleman behind me say he can't pull his restraints down. We're good. I think we're good. We're good. We're clear. Oh Lordy, here we go. Okay, Becky. We'll see. We'll see how she runs, and we'll see how it compares. You got a little wiggle room? You're going to be flying? I think mine's locked, so we're good to go. Good to go. We're clear, everyone. All clear, everyone. Front row. Here we go. Oh Lordy. Oh Lordy, it's a giant crocodile and we're sitting on top of its head. Give them all a wave, everybody. All right. Oh Lordy. I think it's straight down to start, and then we're gonna do the upside down craziness. And it's trucking along here. Okay, everyone, Hands up. This is my first time on this. Thanks for joining us. If you're joining us from the tour, welcome. We'll put the full video on a different video. Here we go. I did hands up the whole time. That was insane on those rolls. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, my shirt was like halfway up. Never had that happen before. I was like screaming. You know, it's a 9 out of 10 for me on roller coasters. We'll get into that in a little bit when we get back to the station, but all right, Iron Gwazi, RMC, steel, hybrid conversion, 3 inversions. What'd you think, Becky?
Oh my gosh, I had an awesome ride being in the front row, just awesome. I think it's definitely gonna rank up in like the top 2 with Steel Vengeance from Cedar Point. But
okay.
Yeah, definitely a great ride, RMC.
All right, it may push into number 2 for me. We'll say I'm gonna give it a solid 9.5. I almost never do a 10, so that's a solid rating. In the front, it was a great ride, lots of speed, lots of pacing. That first drop, it's got that little stall, so in the front it really dangles you over the front, and then it just boom, that force hits you up and over. Hands up the whole time in the front I had it. So when you go into those double rolls, and it just, the whole world just changes, because the forces just push you down as you're driving down, and you just feel like you're just like spiral falling to the floor, basically, and then it grabs you and throws you right back up. So the layout of that, they did an excellent job with what they had. My only critique would be, you know, like Steel Vengeance at the end, it puts you into 2 more of those rolls, like right at the end, and then just a couple of fast hills. And I think that's the only thing that's holding this back from a 10. It's just that last finish compared to other RMCs. We're always pickier when we compare RMCs to other RMCs, so that's just going to be where that's going to lay out. We got a lot of people here. It's a busy day at the park, so thanks for joining us. If you stuck this long, leave us a like if you like us, and we'll see you soon on the next ride, which is going to be up next, so stick with us. Bye, everybody.